Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am gonna show you how to change your existing Gmail account password if you forgot. That means your Gmail account is logged in on your phone, but you forgot the password. So let's start how to change forgotten Gmail account password. For that you need to go to your phone settings. Now scroll down and find out Google. And click on it. Here you will see your Gmail account. So make sure that the Gmail password you forgot is selected here. If not selected, then click here and select your correct Gmail. Now click on Manage your Google account. Swipe right and click on Security. Scroll down and go to Password. Since we have forgotten the password, so we will click on Forgot Password here. This interface tells us to give our phone screen lock, like face lock or password or pattern lock that we use. For that we click on Continue. Guys, this section is blacked out for security purposes. Here you will provide your screen lock that you are use. And finally you will get like this interface for creating new password. Now create your new password. And again confirm your new password. After that click on Change Password, that's it. And password changed successfully. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.